ka Shillong Press Club ka beri ka kenhuan ki nong thok bat nong lum khubor ka jilla Meghalaya ha ka santere unai tung araja arpusau kalayo banjit ya ki nong kit kam bat Thymmai jongka ba kenthop yo president u general secretary bat treasurer Lingba ke election ke bala penlong ha kani gesngi bala penya de katanat information and public relations ke sarkar jilla uba Deimaïa el siang shai ula shajit kumu president da ka bayo khambon vote panyo ba jo thangkhiu bat kumju yo ba Rafael Wardri Karbai ka kam general secretary pat la job suk do ba Savio ti ding do klam dadan ka ji kon persha karba ha ka kam treasurer ki nong tho bat nong lum khubor ki la ai khambon ka vote hau ba Gershome hat bala tam khambon yo ba Martin nong klau Hakajiya lang penbenai ke result election lai don lang do Malta Sangma director katanat DIPR ki officer katanat nolor kilat pathai kubor.
And I hope with your cooperation, with your support, we will move ahead to make a press club, a vibrant press club, not only in Shillong, not only in Meghalaya, but in the northeast and in India as a whole. I would like to thank all the members for making the election a very smooth and a success one. I also would like to thank the commissioner, the director, and all the officers of the DIPR who has conducted a smooth and transparency and a democratic way of conduct an election today. And we hope from today onward we will move ahead so that all the pending programs will be implemented from now onwards. And I also request each and every member that from now on we will work together as a team to make the club a more functional and a more active club in the state.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishap, kashap plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashap plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat ka bathau bha kam khta ka dur jingki marbam ka jing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki balehi banai kita ka don ka we ka jing mentoy ba kongsan ka kot ka khia ka nutrition ba kham bha ka jing im ba kham bha pendon kam daki marbam modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya